Hello everyone, and welcome to the first parts of our Phemex onboarding tutorial playlist. In this video, you will learn how to sign up an account to Phemex successfully. The first step is to scroll down to the description section under this video. Click on the link provided below. This link shall redirect you to a special Phemex landing page. This landing page and promotions may change over time. The most important part is to check the referral code. This referral code ensures that you are eligible to any campaigns, promotions, and perks that we have and we might have in the future. Once you have confirmed the referral code, click on Register Now. You will be taken to a login or sign up page. Make sure to select Sign Up. Here you will see the different ways to create an account. The easiest way is to provide a valid email address and a strong and secure password. Alternatively, you can also use a Google account, an Apple account, a Telegram account, an X account, which is formerly Twitter, or connect a wallet like MetaMask. Now going back to creating a password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, ideally 12 characters long or more. It should include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, and one special character. Avoid using personal information or reusing passwords you have previously used in other platforms. For best security practices, it is recommended that you update your password at least every 3 to 6 months, and immediately if you suspect any unusual activity in your account. Once you've finished creating a strong and secure password, under it you will see individual code. This is optional, but if you use the link below, it should already be automatically filled with my referral code. If not, you could easily just type it in manually. You're almost done. You just need to click on Create Account, and this should complete your registration. Next is you will receive a 6-digit verification code on your registered email address. Enter this code to confirm your account. This code expires, and if it does, just request a new one and try again. And that's it. You are now officially signed up to Phemex, and you are now ready for the next step, which is account verification. If you've already done all the steps on signing up an account, click on the next video to learn how to verify your account.